Let's learn. A is for apple. A is for apple. Good. B is for bird. B is for bird. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dolphin. D is for dolphin. E is for earth. E is for earth. Good. F is for frog. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. H is for heart. H is for heart. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. J is for juice. K is for key. K is for key. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. Nice. M is for mouse. M is for mouse. N is for notebook. N is for notebook. O is for owl. O is for owl. P is for pig. P is for pig. Right. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for ring. R is for ring. S is for sun. S is for sun. Good. T is for tree. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Y is for yacht. Correct. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Well done.